Level 2 evacuation alert for areas southeast of Eugene. The following areas and neighborhoods are being issued a Level 2B set evacuation notice: the neighborhood between Dillard Road, Hidden Meadows, Skyhawk, and Ridgetop Drive. Level 2 means you must prepare to leave at a moment's notice, and this may be the only notice that you'll receive. This is the time for preparation and precautionary movement of persons with special needs, mobile property, pets and livestock. Public safety personnel cannot guarantee they will be able to notify you if conditions rapidly deteriorate. Continue to closely monitor your phone and local media for more information.